So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Docker in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Chrome browser in your PC and search for download Docker. Here in the top you can see, click on that site. Scroll down a little bit and click on download Docker desktop and choose download for Windows. Select the location of the file and click on save. Here you can see it has started downloading. Let me skip to the part file has been downloaded. Here you can see the file has been downloaded. Click on it. Wait for some time. It's a large file, so it's taking time to process. And click on OK. Now you can see it is unpacking the files. It will take some time, but it will install in few minutes. So that's how you can install Docker in Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.